Very good morning, student. As you know, we are studying chapter 5 Contemporary of South Asia. We have studied so far democracy and military in Pakistan, democracy in Bangladesh, monarchy and democracy in Nepal. Today we are going to study ethnic conflict and democracy in Sri Lanka. Right? तो ethnic and democracy in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka in 1988, Sri Lanka retained democracy in 1948, right? But faced a serious challenge not only from the military or monarchy but rather from ethnic conflict, leading demand for separation by one of the region. After independence, politics in Sri Lanka was dominated by whom? By the forces that represent the interest of Sinhala community. The hostile, or we can say that unfriendly, large number of Tamil who had migrated from India. Sinhala nationalist should not give concession to the Tamil because Sri Lanka belong to Sinhala people, right? Or you know that Tamil migrated from India to Sri Lanka, right? The neglect of Tamil concern led to militant, or you can say rebellion, Tamil nationalisms, because there is discriminations against Tamil people by the Sinhala community or Sri Lankan government, and they start to Tamil nationalisms and led to militant Tamil nationalism. From 1983 onward, the militant organization Liberation of Tamil Tigers, Elam, has been fighting an armed struggle with army of Sri Lanka and demanding Tamil Elam or separate country for Tamil. So what happens? This leads to big problems or anarchy in Sri Lanka, right? Due to they choose the separate nations, separate country, they demand for the separate country, separate nations because they are discriminated in Sri Lanka, right? After that, what happens? Indian government time to time tried to negotiate with the Sri Lankan government on Tamil questions because Tamil belong to from India, from Tamil Nadu, you know that. But in 1987, India signed accord with Sri Lanka and set troops to stabilize relation between both Sri Lankan government and Tamil. And the Indian government got into fight with Litte, liberation of Tamil Tigers Elam. In 1989, see, the Indian peacekeeping forces pull out of Sri Lanka without attaining its objective because Sri Lanka think that India might be intervenes in their internal relations or internal matters. That's why in 1988 Indian peacekeeping forces pulled out from Sri Lanka. Despite ravage or destroy of internal conflict, it has maintained a democratic political system in Sri Lanka, right? The origin of the Sri Lankan civil war in the continuous political bitterness between the majority Sinhali and the minority Tamils. The root of modern conflict lie in British colonial rule when country was known as Ceylon, right? So far we have studied that there is no in Sri Lanka these continuously face the problem of ethnic or racial conflict between Sinhala community and Tamil tigers, right? Liberation tigers of Tamil Eelam. But after that, what happens? Sri Lanka maintains their democracy, and still the issue will not resolve, but Sri Lanka is successfully running his own democracy. Hope you got it. And if you have any problem, you can ask the questions related to this. Have a good day and thank for watching video.